SIPUXIN Cosmetic Machinery. Today we take you to see one launched cosmetic factory installed. GMP purification already finished. With the mixers installed, with the pipeline installation now. Our engineer is just doing the assembling. Let me take you to see his GMP purification. The washing bucket room for cleaning. Whenever you finish one batch of the production, you will push in your tank here for cleaning. Every corner all taking the GMP purification. Here is his second emulsifying room. Is starting assembling the plant foam. Weighing room. Free entering room. Raw material warehouse room. This is the visiting passengers. Dangerous goods warehouse. This is the front door where we just going. Raw material comes through here. Dangerous goods wear through here. Going through the visiting passenger room. It's a stair. Everything is in installation now. Decorating. This is the weighing room. In the weighing room, we prepare the raw material, and through this, carrying all in the production room, come here for production, for producing. Just here is his inner filling and out packing room. This must be inner filling room, the inner filling room. This is hand disinfection room. This is the air cleaner, shower bars. People for female, women for men, clothing, changing their clothes through here. That is for goods. Here is for human beings. Come in. Here is the shoe changing room. Very, very standard GMP purification. Here is the air shower. Through here, getting into the production room. Here is for inner filling. Here is for the out packing. You can check in the GMP purification here. Here is the visiting passengers. Allowed your customers through here to visit in here. You only need to show into your out packing to them. Here is the curve, the holder for the conveyor belt passing through and connect the inner filling room and out packing room. Here is for inner filling, inner packing. Top of the roof always mounted with, assembled with the UV sterilizing lights. Conveyor like this will go through here, connect the finished inner filling packagings, getting to the out packing room. Out packing room, the GMP sterilizing, the processing grade will be lower. You can saving a little money on the out packing room. Here is our SIPUXIN brand conveyor belt. These customers, his design. The entire factory, every section, rooms design, space design, height, decorating, everything all designed by our SIPUXIN brand, including all the machines, model selection, machines production, customization, and outside the installation, one stop A to Z, all design, all developed, all product, all installed by our SIPUXIN. Let me take you to see more. After you finish packing the products here, cosmetics, this customer, he is doing the hair coloring. Then, how about the raised GMP purification? Let me take you to see. This is the doors. Sterilizing. This is a bottom storage room. We must making the bottom storage room in purified, sterilizing area, and easy to be moving to behind through here, easy to be moving to the inner filling room. Through here. So bottom purified ware through the door, moving into the filling section. This room, this customer doing the shampoo body lotion. This is the third emulsifying room, making the washing for shampoo, for body lotion products. Let me take you to see finished raised rooms. Here they have, you can see every wall all mounted by the UV sterilizer. But you must be very strict because this customer, he making the colorant. During the long time production, the colorant will just making here dirty. So for any parts touching with his raw material products, he all purified by stainless steel. But through here, all the packaging already done because here is out packing room. Nothing would be sprayed or releasing from the packaging anymore. So here he using cheaper the anti-fire material to decorating his rest parts. Disinfection rooms, the dispensing and washing room, through here, everything packed where he will just leaving the elevator, go down to first floor for delivery. Here also have some rooms. He using very beautiful appearance with aluminum to overlapping the pillars. Every pillars are packed very beautiful. Here is his warehouse, because once you finish through here, not immediately you have the plan for sending goods for delivery. So you can put in your finished product in the warehouse. This is the entire GMP purification from the raw materials in, and labor workers in. Every parts all designed from the beginning to the end, from A to Z. Every part, SIPUXIN. Expecting you're visiting, and if you want a new land, the entire space design, scientific design, routine, decoration, making in GMP cleaning room, machines customization, production, machines installed. One-stop service, fine hours. We are waiting for you. We're leaving the outpacking. Here is the visiting passengers, because here is allowed your people operating, your labor workers working, but you must have some VIP customers. They want to visiting you through here. And they are not allowed to enter into your production room. They only to be allowed to have these special visiting passengers here. They can work in your outpacking room through here. They are just the master to be getting out from here. And here is the beginning room. the entrance of the entire factory.